How can you use a number line to represent fractions greater than 1? Think about this question during the lesson. A bunny hopped 7/4 the distance of a trail. How can you show this on a number line?
Number lines can also represent fractions that are greater than 1.
What is the whole? The whole is the distance of the trail. On the number line, the whole is the distance between 0 and 1. What is the denominator of 7/4?
Select your answer.
The denominator is 4. Divide the whole into 4 equal lengths. Each length is 1/4 of the whole. The numerator is 7. There are 7 lengths of 1/4. The point showing 7 lengths of 1/4 can be labeled as 7/4. Are there more than 4 lengths or fewer than 4 lengths of 1/4 in 7/4? There are more than 4 lengths of 1/4. Is 7/4 greater than 1 or less than 1? 7/4 is greater than 1. Now you know how you can use a number line to represent fractions greater than 1.